Start class 7. Today is our lecture number 14, lecture number 4. Now, today we are going to discuss about the remaining questions of exercise 4.4. So the part number 6 is minus 2 by 9 power 5 multiplied by minus 2 by 9 power minus 5 over 3 by 2 power 4 multiplied by 3 by 2 power minus 4. So that is your part number 6. Now the solution is minus 2 by 9 or power 5 multiplied by minus 2 by 9 power minus 5. So here you can see that there is a bases are same and also the powers are same, but the signs of parts are different. So as we know that whenever bases are same, we have to add the base powers. So both in the nominator and denominator, you can see that we have to add the powers of numerator and denominator. So by doing this, we have the equation minus 2 by 9 power 5 minus 5. So the question arises that we have know that there is plus, we have to add the base powers whenever bases are same, but here the sign is minus. So whenever you put 5 or first value in bracket, then plus sign, and then minus 5 in the bracket, and when you open the bracket, then the sign was changed. So the equation will become minus 2 by 9 or power 5 minus 5, same as in the denominator 3 by 2 power 4 minus 4. So after subtracting the both numerator and denominator, we get minus 2 by 9 power 0 or 3 by 2 power 0. So we have also discussed the rule that whenever the exponent is 0 and the base is not equal to 0, then the answer will be 1. So we write 1 instead of minus 2 over 9 power 0. And same as in the denominator, 3 by we write 1 instead of 3 by 2 power 0. So 1 by 1 will equal to 1, because when we write 1 with 1, the answer is 1. So that is the last part of your question number 3 of exercise number 4.4. Now the next question is, the seventh part of question number 3 is 1 by 3 power minus 3 over 1 by 3 power minus 4. The overall minus 1 over 3 power minus 5 over 1 over 3 power minus 6. So here basically there are two values, both are in numerator and denominator forms. So the solution is 1 over 3 minus 3 over 1 over 3 power minus 4 minus 1 over 3 power minus 5 over 1 over 3 power minus 6. So first of all, we know that both values, the first and the second, have same numerator and denominator, but the exponents are changed. So and also they are in the division form, fraction form. So we have to write down the formulas, that is, if A and B are divided and both have same bases, So we will subtract the equation. By doing this, we get 1 over 3 power minus 3 minus into minus 4. When we open the bracket, then the minus into minus will become plus. So we write minus 3 plus 4, same as in the second values, 1 over 3 power minus 5. Again, minus into minus 6. When we open the bracket, then the minus into minus will become into plus. So we have 1 over 3 power minus 5 plus 6. Now here we have to add or subtract the equations. After adding or subtracting the equation, we get 1 over 3 power 1 minus 1 over 3 power 1, which is equal to 1 over 3 over minus 1 over 3. So when we again take the LCM, we know that by taking LCM we get 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0 over 3, and whenever there are some values which are divided by 0 or some value, then the answer will be 0. So the answer is 0. So that is the 7th part of your question number 3. Now the 8th one is minus 2 over 3 power minus 5 multiplied by 2 over 3 power 4, same as in the denominator 2 by 3 power minus 4 plus 2 by 3 power minus 4. So the solution of this question is in 2 parts. You can do this question in the 2 ways. First of all, we have to rewrite the question. Then, in the first method, we know that we in the numerator we have same bases but different parts. So we will add the parts and we get 2 over 3 minus 5 plus 4, same as in the denominator. There is 2 by 3 power minus 4 divided by 2 by 3 power minus 4. Now we know that when bases are same and both the values are in division method, so we have to subtract the values. So we will get 2 over 3 power minus 1 over 2 by 3 power minus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 2 power 3 2 over 3 power 4 over 2 power 3 or 0. So the answer is 3 by 2. Same as in the second method, we have seen that 2 over 3 power minus 5 multiplied by 2 over 3 power 4 over 2 over 3 power minus 4 divided by 2 over 3 power minus 4. So as you can see that same we have done in the previous questions, that we have to add the exponents. So we'll write the equation as 2 over 3 power minus 5 plus 4 over 2 by 3 power minus 4 over 2 by 3 power minus 4. Then we have cancelled the both equation in the denominator, second and third part. So we will get 2 over 3 power minus 5 over 1, which is equal to 3 by 2. So that is your part number 8. Now the part number 9 is 2 by 3 power whole power 3 multiplied by 2 power 2 by 3 power 0 multiplied by 2 over 3 power minus 3. So you can see that all the bases are same, but the exponents are different. So we have to add. Before adding, uh, we know that 2 over 3 power 0, it means we have to write 1 instead of 2 over 3 power 0 according to rule. So after doing this, we will get 2 over 3 power 3 multiplied by 1 to multiply by 2 over 3 power minus 3. So by multiplying 1 with any one of this value, we will get 2 over 3 power 3 multiplied by 2 over 3 power minus 3. So again, we have same basis, but the powers are different. So we will, and the values are multiplied. So we will just add the powers, and we will get 2 over 3 power 3 minus 3, which is equal to 2 over 3 power 0. And we know that, and if there is 0 in the exponent and the rational numbers are not in 0, then the equation will be equal to 1. So the answer is 1. The last part of this exercise is part number 10, which is minus 1 by 2 power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 power minus 3 plus 1 by 4 power minus 4. So again, here we just convert the numerator into denominator and the denominator into numerator. To converting the power into positive form, then we will get 2 power 2 plus 3 power 3 plus 4 power 4, because 1 power 2 means 1, and when we divide the 1 with 2 power 2, we will get 2 power 2, same as in the second and third values. So the equation will become 2 power 2 plus 3 power 3 plus 4 power 4. Now, you know that 2 power 2 means 4, same as 3 power 3 means 27, because we have to multiply 3 with itself with up to 3 times, same as 4 power 4 means 256. So the equation is 4 plus 27 plus 256, which is equal to, when we add them, then the answer will be 287. So that is the answer of the exercise 4, and that is the last question of exercise 4. Now we are going to discuss about the reviewing exercise 4. So here first of all, we have to know about the question that we have already studied while discussing the examples. So the questions are, what is meant by the exponent of a number? The answer is, the exponent of number tells us how many times a number base is multiplied with itself. So the answer is, the exponent of number tells us how many times a number which is base is multiplied with itself. Same as part number 2. What is the product law with the same base? So the product law with the same base is a power m multiplied by a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Same as define the proper power law of exponent. In this law, the base remains the same with a new exponent equal to the product of two exponents, like a power m whole power n is equal to a into a power m into n. Now the last part is, what is the reciprocal of p over q? Then the reciprocal of p over q is q by p. So these are some questions of the revised exercise of question number 1. Now the question number 4, find the value of the following. Part number 1 is 4 power minus 3. So these questions, related to this question, we have already studied in the exercise problem 1 and problem 2, in which we know that whenever there is a negative exponent, then we have to take the reciprocal of the equation. For this, when we take the reciprocal, we will get 4 power minus 3 is equal to 1 over 4 power 3. Now the 4 power 3 means we have to multiply 4 with itself up to 3 times. So by multiplying 4 with itself up to 3 times, we will get 1 over 64. So that is the answer of 4 power minus 3. Same as part number 2, we straight at minus 5. Minus 5 by power minus 3. Same as first of all, we have to take the reciprocal. Sorry, question is minus 5 power 4, not minus 3. So minus 5 power 4 is we know that we have to multiply minus 5 with itself up to 4 times. So we will write minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, which is equal to 625. Same as part number 3, which is 2 power minus 9. Now here again the negative exponent. So we will write it as, we have to take reciprocal of this equation. So we will get 2 power minus 9 is equal to 1 over 2 power 9. Now 2 power 9 means we have to multiply 2 with itself up to 9 times, and after doing this we will get multiplying 2 with itself up to 9 times, we will get 1 over 5, 12. So that is the answer of part number 3. Now the part number 4, which is minus 1 over 3 power minus 5. So here again we have to take the reciprocal, and when we take the reciprocal, the equation will be 3 over minus 1 power minus 5. So by taking we know that 5, and you know that everything is divided by 1 will be equal to itself. So we will write 3 power 5 minus 3 power 5, and the answer is minus 243. Now the power of 5 is 3 over 10 power 3. It means we have to take the cube root of both 3 and 10, which is our numerator and denominator. So for this we have to take first cube on both equation, 3 power 3 over and over 10 power 3, which is equal to 3 power 3 means we have to multiply 3 with itself up to 3 times, and we get 27. Same as when we multiply 10 with itself 3 times, then we will get 1000. So that is your answer, 27 over 1000. Now the part number 6, which is your last part of today's question. Minus into 11 over 13 whole square. So this is a simplest question. We just multiply 11 itself 2 times, so we'll get 11 multiplied by 11 over 13 multiplied by 13, and by multiplying we will get minus 121 or 169. This minus, note that this minus is outside the bracket, not inside the bracket. If this minus is inside the bracket, then at the end in the answer there will be no minus, because we know that whenever there is minus inside the bracket and the power is in even form, then this minus sign will change into positive. But this minus is outside the bracket, so we cannot change the sign negative into positive. So the answer is minus 129 over 169. So class, that is the last part of your today's topic. Now if you have any kind of question, you can ask. Hurry up.